So today we're going to show you guys how to install this handrail that is really practical. This is the accessory it comes with. So we got some anchors, screws, the bar, some big screws for if you're doing it as taco, and we got a brace bracket that we're going to put on the back as support. And it's really easy to, to put it on. All you need is basically a drill, a level, or just you can mark it with a pencil and a tape. Okay, so now the way to put this on, this basically is an attach here. We're gonna mount it in there, and this, it has some holes for here. You're gonna remove the screws and you're gonna screw through the back, which is really easy. Just pull them out, do it with your hand or screwdriver. So now you gotta be at 3 feet. So we're measuring the step, which is 6 inches, and from the top of the step it should be somewhere around 30 right there. And we're gonna show you how to put it on right now. Put it right here. We're ready to go. Mark our line. As simple as that. It's really strong. When you come, for any people, you don't need it just for disability. You could have it as a support when you're tired of coming home. This is a nice feature to have at your house. You just hold on, grab on. It's easy as that.